Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to start work of NSP playlist tool editor. I have a Nuvoton NSP Smart Buzzer development board and NSP Writer programmer. So you need to download the NSP playlist tool editor. You can see here. So open project. In the open project, as you can see here, the NSP project file. This file you will be see in sample project. Yeah. Once you download and install your NSP Play Tool editor, then you can open this. After that, you can 3.0 and reference material in the reference material sample project, and you can find the chip NSP230 NSP2340B. This is our chip NSP chip. So you can select this project and open. You can see here the sample project. In the sample project, you can select and open the project. These are the WAV files, and you can see here two buttons here, sound and demo mode. So you can see here in the demo mode you have select power on reset and button 1, button 2, button 3. So I have a board on this board we have given 6 button, and you can see, you can listen the voice. If we press button 1, so you you hear some sound from the smart buzzer. So how to download the project in the NSP board? So first you need a NSP writer and connect to the laptop by using the programmer. I have connected. You can see here the USB connected device found, and you can see here the some build project option. You can click on this. The code is compiling. This option is used for build project and write the code. So you can see here the progress. Flash writing. Write OK. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are using 4 button. So we can play one by one. Once program download, then you can remove your programmer NSP writer and connect the USB cable on the NSP node or NSP board. Button number 1 press, button number 2 press, button number 3 press. Only 3 button is working right now. So if you want to add the WAV file, then how you want, you can click on this WAV file and drag on the button number BP3, as you can see here. And this silence is used for the 10 millisecond gap. This is the delay between one message to another message. If you want to add another file in same way, so you can see, if you press the button number 3, then uh, you can play two sound, first sound and second sound, and you can see the delay. So like you can give, so 20. So after 20, and here you can download 50, and here repeat one. Sorry, you can see here the repeat. So if you select here one, if you one, then means your sound will play only one time. If you select two, your sound will play two times. And if you give zero here, your sound is play continuously like in while code. So now I have select here two sounds and you can see the difference. Again, connect connect the board by using new writer programmer. You can see here and build the project successfully. Now rebuild and write the project. The process is going on. So you can make your simple buzzer as a smart buzzer by using NSP, Nuvoton NSP ICs. So start writing blackjack and the flash is writing. Flash is writing and verify 50%, 68, 75, and you can see here 100%. Right, okay. Now you can remove your board from the laptop and connect using USB cable. So button number one press, two press, three press. We can see here the delay. So you can add your wave file from the internet and also you can generate your wave file here. And if you record your wave file, so you can add here and you can drag and drop by using your button, how many button you are using on your NSP ICs. So it is very easy to use. So if you have any problem and any confusion on NSP ICs, please do let me know. I will help you on this. So thank you. Thank you so much.